Now we'll calculate a partner's capital account of Riddhi Siddhi in a debit side and credit side. So realization account was 34,000. We calculated that is a 34,000 rupees realization account, which is given in the debit side of the realization account. Realization account 34,000. Then by balance brought down, which is given in the problem of Riddhi and Siddhi's. Their opening stock amount is by balance brought down. Their amount is 80,000 and 60,000 rupees. That amount will bring in a partner's capital account. Balance brought down. Riddhi's amount is 80,000 rupees. Siddhi's amount is 60,000 rupees. Then by reserve fund account. Reserve fund account is 16,000 rupees. So these 16,000 rupees will be distributed to both partners in the 2:1 ratio. So 16,000 into 2 divided by 3. So by reserve fund account for the Riddhi it is a 10,667 rupees. So for the Riddhi it is 10,667 rupees. And for the Siddhi's amount is 5,333 rupees. In the ratio of 2:1 ratio, we distributed the 16,000 to both partners. And next, to realization account, credit side the amount is more and the debit side amount is less. So realization account is 34,000 for the Riddhi. And for the, we need to find out the realization account for the loss. This is the loss for the partner's capital account. So total amount here 90,000. Total amount 90,667 rupees. And this total amount is 90,667 rupees. And for Siddhi's it is 65,333 rupees. So this same amount will take it this side in a debit side. For Siddhi it is 65,333 rupees. For Riddhi's it is 90,667 rupees. So in this amount we need to deduct this amount. 90,667 minus 34,000. So the realization loss account is 24,000 rupees. So realization loss account of Riddhi and Siddhi it was a 36,000 rupees. That 36,000 rupees will be distributed in a 2:1 ratio, which is given in the problem. So for the Riddhi it is 24,000 rupees. Riddhi it is 24,000 rupees. And Siddhi's it is 12,000 rupees. Means we need to calculate like this, like 36,000 into 2 divided by, here it is 1 divided by 3, here it is 36,000, 2 divided by 3. So we will get amount as 24,000 and 12,000 rupees. Next is the loss to bank account. So balance amount will take it as a bank account, to bank account. In a 90,667 deduct these amounts 34,000 and 24,000. So leftover amount is 32,667. 32,667. This side 65,333 minus 12,000, it is 53,333 rupees. So this is like this we need to calculate partner's capital account. So partner's capital account of Riddhi amount is 90,667. Siddhi's amount is 65,333 and both sides the same balancing both sides. Now calculation of a bank account. In the bank amount is which is given in the problem, that is bank amount is 20,000 rupees. Debit side it will come to balance brought down. We'll take in a bank account. So that I'll mention that balance brought down. This is a bank account. So I'm taken balance brought down. That amount is 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. And in a credit side, realization account of Siddhi's loan account. So realization account was 34,000 rupees. ₹34,000. By Siddhi's loan account. Siddhi's loan account, which is given in the third adjustment, that is for the 3,000 she agreed to pay for the loan account, that is 3,000 rupees. In the problem, in the table liability side and the asset side, it is given that 4,000 rupees, but she agreed to pay loan account 3,000 rupees. So I am taking here by Siddhi's amount, by Siddhi's loan account. ₹3,000. In a partners capital account, we calculated that for the Riddhi and Siddhi's loan amount is, partners capital amount is 32,667 rupees and 53,333 rupees. That is the loss of the realization account. So I'll mention here by Riddhi's account, by Riddhi's capital account. $32,667. By Siddhi's amount, Siddhi's capital account, 53,333 rupees. So total amount in the credit side is 1,23,000. Need to add these amounts: 34,000, 3,000, 32,000 and 53,000. So total amount is 1,23,000 rupees. 1,23,000 rupees. This is the total amount of the credit side. The same amount we'll take it here. Debit side, 1,23,000. 1,23,000 rupees total amount. But here the realization account in a 1,23,000 minus 20,000. So it will be the 1,03,000 rupees to realization account. ₹3,000. This is the calculation of bank account. 1,23,000 rupees and 1,23,000 rupees is the total amount. And for the realization account, amount is 1,03,000 rupees. So at the last, see this loan account particulars in debit side and credit side. So in a bank account, we mentioned that when we calculated bank account, their amount was 3,000 rupees and the realization account was 1,000 rupees. And in the problem, it is given that her account balance is 4,000 rupees. So both the side, it is 1,000 rupees as the realization account, 1,000 rupees, and total amount is 4,000 rupees of a Siddhi's loan account.